Makita LS0816F Review. Compact sliding miter saw with dead-on accuracy proven in the field. You line up the cut, drop the blade, and the trim comes out a hair off. Again. I once remeasured the same crown molding joint 4 times before admitting the saw was the real problem. That quiet frustration of losing good material to bad alignment cuts deeper than most people talk about. Type me if that feeling hits a little too close to home right now. Here is what nobody says out loud. Inaccurate cuts do not just waste wood, they waste your confidence. And that chaotic spiral of second-guessing every angle setting makes the whole job feel harder than it should. You adjust, recheck, retry, and the results still drift. Something better has to exist. A saw built around precision from the first touch, rather than hoping you get lucky. Then I picked up the Makita LS0816F and everything shifted immediately. Don't just pick any sliding compound miter saw. Make sure it has a built-in LED shadow line guide so you never suffer the maddening guesswork of misaligned laser dots drifting across your workpiece ever again. That single feature changes how fast and confidently you work through every single cut. The LED casts a precise shadow of the actual blade path directly onto the material. No calibration, no drift, no second guessing. You see exactly where the cut lands before you commit. The dual linear ball bearing slide system makes every pass feel smooth, controlled, and repeatable, whether you are cutting baseboard, crown molding, or flooring stock. At just 30.6 pounds, this saw moves between job sites without becoming a burden. The 10.5 amp direct drive motor hits 5,000 RPM with a soft start that feels refined rather than abrupt. Electric brake snaps the blade to a stop fast, so you keep momentum. I once had a flooring install deadline closing in fast and 3 boards left to cut wrong. Swapped to this saw, used the shadow line, nailed all 3 on the first pass, and finished an hour ahead. That is the kind of daily reliability that actually adds up over time. Once you experience this level of daily consistency, going back to a cheaper saw feels genuinely impossible. Your cuts land right the first time. Rework drops. The rhythm of a project finally flows the way it should, and that calm confidence ripples across every measurement and joint you make throughout the day. A woodworking specialist confirmed the linear ball bearing system delivers dead-on accuracy that makes the Makita LS0816F a trusted choice for finished carpentry at a professional level. A DIY carpentry channel called the LED shadow line more reliable than traditional laser guides because it never needs recalibration between blade changes. One verified user who upgraded from a basic saw described the contrast as stark, saying it felt like being blind and suddenly seeing the light. Another long-term user simply called it the best miter saw they have ever owned after years of comparing alternatives. Results may vary based on material and setup conditions. Now, the honest objection. Some buyers hesitate because an 8.5-inch blade feels smaller than a 12-inch model. Here is the reality. For trim, molding, flooring, and most carpentry tasks, the LS0816F handles the cutting capacity you actually need, with better portability than larger saws deliver. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for precision, 2 for portability, or 3 for speed. Come see why so many finished carpenters and flooring installers quietly switched and never looked back. The Makita LS0816F delivers professional-grade sliding miter saw accuracy in a package light enough to carry between jobs without a second thought. Thousands of contractors and serious DIY users are already running it daily on real projects. Results may vary. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment whenever you are ready. Take a look, see if it fits your work, and make a confident decision today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.